What's going on, guys? We got a brand new package today, and we're about to go and check it out and see what's inside of it. Now, I got this package for free, and I'll be getting plenty of stuff. This is actually another thing I just got. All right, y'all. So this is a bunch of t-shirts. Oh my gosh, this is unreal. Even 3 hoodies, 4 hoodies. Now that's a lot of hoodies. I'm sorry. Alright, well, that's a lot to me. I don't know. They look a little small. XL. I think I wanted 2XL. These are gonna be more like sports oriented, I guess. If it's not my normal size, I'm a double XL. Pretty big boy. All right, so yeah, that's what's in the package, guys. So not only did I get these products for free, but I get paid to make videos with them. So say I'm just wearing the hoodie in the video. Let's keep this clean, take it off the floor. Let's do that. So I post whatever kind of social media content, which I love to do, and I put it on TikTok, and people buy the hoodie. And now not only did I get free nice clothes, but I'm getting paid for like the next 3 years minimum from that one video. So that's how TikTok affiliate works, guys. And if you want more information, I'm here. We got a private Telegram. It's pretty official. All right, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It's a pretty big white. It's a pretty big XL. It's pretty big. I thought it was gonna be, kind of tight and stuff. I like that baggy feel more. Bro's got a whole white hoodie. You know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm a designer, bro. It's over for this hoodie. All right, whatever. Ooh, looking like Jesus. Looking like sweet baby Jesus. It looks nicer in person. Here I am advertising the hoodie to you guys. I guess I'm a natural. Link for the I'm playing. I don't even think they'll have a link. If they do, of course I'm sliding it in. I got y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta wash it. Yeah, that's life.